back for you guys with another video. I'm trying out a new setup. As you can see, this wall is all clear behind me, but we ain't gonna go to details there. So today I got y'all another unboxing. That's right, they just keep on coming, and once they keep on coming, we got more content to prove. So I don't know what's inside this box. Like I said, they just keep coming, and the more they keep coming, the more surprises that we get. And it's just really excited to see that we are getting more and more boxes from different plugs just to prove that. But enough of that. Let's get to this cutting and what's inside of this box real quick. Also, if you are new to the channel, go down below, subscribe. Don't be afraid. Also, check out all my videos, comment on some, share some if you want to. I don't really care if you do or not, but hey, if you want to be a part of the Beano wave, then go ahead. But no, seriously, check out my videos. They're pretty awesome. Alright. Okay. Oh shit. Oh man. Yo, what is, oh my gosh. Oh man. It's been a long time coming. We got the undefeated Kobe box. As y'all can see, we got the undefeated Kobe box. Man, it's just crazy. Like, I finally got a pair of Kobe's in an undefeated collab. Let's look inside of it. This is just crazy. Like, look at the wrap, y'all. Like, look at this wrap. I don't know if y'all can see that, but look at the wrap. They got every city on that wrap, including Boston, Minnesota, Florida, Miami, same state, really. They're in the same thing. Almost everybody, really, almost every single state. And let's look inside this shoe. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, man. Look at this pair, yo. Look at this pair. Let me settle this down right here. This pair is just absolutely crazy, man. We got the gold undefeated Kobe 5s. Now, this is my first time holding a pair of Kobe 5s in my hands. Like, I never had a pair of Kobe 5s at all. I have Kobe 11s. That's just pretty much it. I only have 3 pairs of Kobe 11s. But this right here, man, this could be something great, you know. This could be something great. Like, so far I'm trying to elevate my Kobe collection to more and more, so this can kickstart it again. Enough of that. As you can see, we got the undefeated dash sign right here, as in tally marks. If I don't know if you remember, if you was a kid, you remember doing tally marks just to count the days, see how many days are there really, or how many hours. But yeah, and also got the insole versus Nike Air. The back, it just says Air as well. You don't see the eye, you see that Mamba symbol. Feel me? You see that Mamba symbol. Look at this. And the quality on this shoe, it's just simply beautiful. Like, they really done an outstanding job just to make the quality of this shoe perfect. It's just literally perfect, if you ask me. And you can't go wrong with that. Like, it's spray painted gold, and the bottom is purple, which is to signify the legacy of Kobe Bryant itself. R.I.P. Kobe, by the way. He's the most iconic basketball player, but during my generation of growing up, really. But other than that, this shoe is really perfect. It just signifies everything that he's done in his career, and also it has the numbers that he wore as well. I don't know if y'all can see that: 24, 10, and 8. Perfect, simply perfect. It's a perfect shoe for a person with an amazing legacy, and to signify that, this man has done everything. And I like how the shoe smells great too. Even it also has that undefeated tab inside the tongue actually. But yeah, can't go wrong with this shoe. Let me pull out the other pair. Also got that undefeated symbol as well too. Also got the same, well, it doesn't have the same number, but it's on the other side of the shoe as well. Purple purple Nike check. Also has the undefeated side on here too. And it has every achievement that Kobe Bryant done, as y'all can see. From all the things that he accomplished. Even purple sole on the side as well. But I don't know. What y'all think of these? Do y'all think y'all can hoop in these shoes? I know I can. I mean, I haven't tried them, but once I get a chance to try them on and see how they are, I'll let y'all know. But other than that, these shoes are just crazy. It's just really crazy, man. Like, absolutely crazy. Kobe shoes are, in my opinion, are the best basketball shoe to wear. And if you ask me, they just, like, you really can't go wrong with these shoes. You really can't go wrong with them. Like, they're just absolutely nuts. And if you think they're not really a good shoe to hoop in, you're smoking. You're smoking on something. But enough said than that. Now you know about the shoe in person. Now we're gonna get to this OnFoot review. Let's go.